Just a real quick one on egg shape, size, and color regarding the Ayam Cemani, because there has been a couple of times where I've seen, let me get a reflection off my glasses, that's kind of annoying, where I've seen people comment on some of the chicken pages, oh, the judges don't care about egg color. Well, the judges may not care about egg color, but if you're going to raise these birds, you better care about egg color, because some of the birds that they have in these shows are laying blue or green eggs. Okay, that is not an Ayam Cemani. They will tell you if it looks like a Cemani, it's a Cemani. Not true. Not true. Not true. Because if you were to blood test those birds, their genetics, I pray they come up with one that will tell you the percentages of what these birds are, because they will have, invariably, it'll be cream leg bar in their line. That's where the blue or Easter egg, or that's where that blue or green egg comes from. So I just want to real quickly show you the differences in these eggs. This is an egg from a cream leg bar. This is an egg from a cream leg bar white leghorn mix. Obviously, the white leghorn mix makes it a larger bird with a larger egg, and she still lays a blue egg. But that's a cream leg bar egg. Okay, this is a cream leg bar egg compared to a white leghorn egg, way bigger. Okay, so when you start mixing other breeds with these Cemanis, you're going to see the eggs get bigger. Okay, and I'm fixing to show you that. Cream leg bars and Cemanis are very close to the same size. This is a mature cream leg bar. This is a mature Ayam Cemani egg. A very light cream color. Okay, now I'm going to remove this one and start showing you some comparisons of what it should look like versus what some of them do. This is a pullet egg. You can tell it's not big enough yet, and it will be a little bit darker because the ink from the inkjet is over a smaller surface area. When this hen gets mature, and this is not one I'm using in our program, by the way, but when this hen gets mature, we eat these. It'll be closer to this color because the ink will be spread out over a greater surface area. Now here's where you really start to see the differences. This egg actually came out of a bird that I was told was an Ayam Cemani. There's no way. Not only is it the size of a leghorn egg, it has a rose tint to it. I don't know if you can see it on this video, but it has definitely, you can definitely see the colors are different, but it has a rose tint to it. So this quote unquote Ayam Cemani hen has probably got brown leghorn or Sumatra maybe. So the eggs are extremely important as far as gathering intel on your birds. So please, please pay attention to the eggs. Do not listen to these people that tell you the judges don't care about egg color. That is actually true, but if you want the real Ayam Cemani bird, you better care.